Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java. In this video, I am going to demo you the project which I have created a long back for my own learning purpose. So today I am going to publish that repository, so if anybody wants to download the code, they can download it. In this project, still there are so many areas where improvements are required, so if anybody is interested, they can do the enhancements. But most of the basic functionalities are already implemented. So I hope you got an idea about this video. So watch till the end and I am sure that you will find something interesting. So here you can see the screen. So this is the login page of that project. Let's open our GitHub page. If you want, you can create your own account and follow me on GitHub also. See, currently 109 users are following me. Let's click on the repositories. The first project you can see, so project name is Money Monster. Let's download this project. Project downloaded successfully. See here, I already imported the downloaded project in IntelliJ. Let's run this project using maven command. So the command is like mbn spring-boot:run. Server started successfully and running on 3333 port. Now let's open this project. So here I already bookmarked the project URL. So let's click on the third link. See, login page is coming. So to get the username and password, let's open the database. So here database is MySQL. Let's refresh the schemas. See, here is the database which is created because of our project. So database name is Money Management. See, here are the 4 tables. Let's open the user table. So here username is Money Monster and password is in the MD5 format. So here password is nothing but the password only. Let's log in now. Here password is password. Now click on the login button. See, logged in successfully. In this home page, you can see 3 sections. So the first section is for the revenue, the second section is for the expenditure, and the third section is for the year-wise revenue. Now let's click on the right side user icon. See, here are the 4 options. Let's click on the profile menu. See, it is showing only one record because login person is an admin. The right side you can see the user button. So admin can add the user also. Let's click on the edit icon. If the user wants, they can edit the details if required. Now let's click on the money icon. See, no details are available. Let's click on the source icon. Here also there is no source, so no sources are available. Here right side you can see 2 icons. Click on the upload icon. See, overlay is coming. So from here you can upload the sources. So to get the standard format, you can download the template using the left button. The download is working fine. Upload functionality is missing. So if you want, you can implement. Basic integration is already there. Now let's add some sources. So let's click on the plus icon. Here you can see only 3 fields are there, like type, name and the status. Type contains the 2 types like revenue and expenditure. Let's select the revenue. Here source name, let's say job. Set this to active. Now click on save. See, source saved successfully. Now let's add some more sources. Here name, let's say YouTube. See, saved successfully. Now let's add the expenditure. Name, let's say rent. See, saved successfully. Name, let's say credit card. See, saved successfully. See, here we added 8 sources till now. You can add n number of sources. Now let's add some records for money. So click on the money menu. Here also on the right side you can see the 2 options. Same like sources here, also upload functionality not yet implemented. So if you want, you can implement it. Let's click on the plus icon. So this form contains 5 fields. Type, let's choose the revenue. So this source dropdown prepare the options based on the selection of the type. See here 3 options are showing like a bank interest, job and YouTube. So here let's select the job. If there is any extra information you want to add, then you can add in this text area. Here let's mention salary. Select the revenue date using the calendar. The amount which you earned here, let's say 80,000. Now let's click on the save button. See, saved successfully. So like that, let's add some more records for revenue. Add some more salaries for a different month. Here, if you observe, card title also changing when we are adding the records for money. Now let's select the source as YouTube. Now click on the Save button. See, saved successfully. Now let's select the source as bank interest. Now click on the Save button. See, record saved successfully. Now let's click on the Home menu. See, now Home is different. Some records added for the revenue section and one record is there for the year-wise section. Now let's click on the 2020 link. See here, 3 records are showing. Actually, this section is helpful when there are so many records for different year. I hope you understood the importance of this section. Now let's click on the third link from the revenue section. See here also, if there are so many records, then only you can feel the importance. See here, expenditure section is still empty. So let's add some records for the expenditure. Here, source, let's say credit card. Now click on the Save button. See, record saved successfully. See, now expenditure value also changing. Now let's click on the Home menu. See, now there are some records for expenditure also. See, it is showing properly. Let's add some more records for internet. See, the amount is changed. Let's add some more records for rent. See, it is showing record as per the expectation. I hope things are clear for you. Here, there are many things which I demo you, but many things I missed, which you can explore. Now, let's log out. See, logged out successfully. Let's clear this message. Before going further, one simple announcement. If anybody is interested to enhance this project, then please contact me through the email ID. Email detail is in the description. Send mail only if you are really interested. One more thing I just want to clear you. I'm not going to pay anything. This is just a learning exercise. Now, let's see how the data is stored in the database. Let's open all the table one by one. See, everything is simple, so nothing much is there to explain. Now let's review the code. See, if you are following my video, then here also nothing much to explain. So just showing the content and the files. Yeah, this money repository is important. This file is doing all the calculation related things. So let's close everything. I hope this video is helpful for you. That's it for this video. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.